Hi, Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful and stylish ring. First of all, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get free notifications of my coming videos. In order to make the ring, we need this glitter sheet and cut a piece from it. I will use it as a base. Now take a stone, apply fabric glue on its back side. You can also use any other glue. Now put it on this glitter sheet and then apply glue around this stone. Now use ball chain and then I will give a second layer of this pearl chain. Let it dry and cut the extra sheet. Cut another piece of glitter sheet of same size and shape. Now take a loop pin and I will make a second loop on its second end as well, and then I will use it on the back side of the stone piece by applying glue. Now apply glue on this whole back side and paste this second piece of the glitter sheet. Note the position of the loop. Now take a ring base and apply hot glue on its inner side and press this stone part on this ring base. Now take another piece of glitter sheet and I will use a round shaped stone in the same color which I used earlier. Similarly, apply glue on the back side of the stone and put it on the glitter sheet. Then apply glue around it and use ball chain. The extra glitter sheet. Now I will apply glue on the back side of this piece and paste it on another glitter sheet piece and cut the extra again. And then take another piece and apply glue and paste this stone part. The only reason to do this several times because I want to give it a pop-up effect. Then apply pearl chain around it and finally cut it. Then apply glue and use the loop pin which I did earlier for the first stone piece and then cover its back with another round piece of the sheet. Now I will use this round piece of stone and this ring base, stick them together. Note the position of the loop, it should be in the center of the ring. Now take a small round piece of the size of the ring base and cut these mini parts. Now by applying glue on its inner side, And also on the ring base, paste this piece to cover its back. Now this piece of the ring is ready too, and we will use these two pieces together by using a chain. You can also make this chain, and it is also easily available in the market or any craft store. I'm taking about 6 inches of this chain. Open its loop from one end and insert its loop into the loop of the ring, and then close it by using the plier. Then open the loop on the second end of the chain, and then again insert this loop in the loop of that ring, the other ring, and again close it, and this is ready. I hope you will like the ring and also the tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to get free notifications of my coming videos.